Good morning, all of you, once again to our amazing मस्ती की पाठशाला. So अक्षरा कुछ बच्चों को सिखाते हैं कि इस इन्वायरमेंट में और इस माहौल में उनको क्या करना चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
hmm,
if you remember, we had a class about gratefulness, right?
yes.
Being grateful. Yes. So how to be grateful? हम grateful कब feel करेंगे? So today's class is about that only. How you have to feel or how or when you feel grateful. So our class is related to that.
Okay. Before I actually take the class, हम मुझे एक पर्सनल चीज़ शेयर करनी है अक्षरा आपसे. मैं ग्रेटफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ पिछले 5-6 सालों से. आई रेड अ बुक कॉल ग्रैटिट्यूड फ्रॉम लुइस हे. मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी शेयर किया था और उसने मेरी लाइफ को चेंज कर दिया. और एवरी मॉर्निंग आई गेट अप एंड स्पेंड एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 minutes just writing what I'm grateful for. So
Wow.
that's a practice for me. So देखते हैं आज हमें आप क्या वीडियो दिखा रहे हो. चलो आपके साथ देखते हैं मस्ती की पाठशाला में थैंकफुलनेस. वाओ. सो लेट्स गो टू आवर बुक. ये बुक हमने एपिक लाइब्रेरी से ली है आप सबके लिए. सो व्हाट इज थैंकफुलनेस? यस, ओवर टू यू अक्षरा.
Okay, so this book is about what is thankfulness. There are many things to be happy about. Maybe you have a cute new baby sister. Maybe your grandma has moved closer to you. Maybe someone has baked your favorite cookies. Thankfulness means having good thank you feelings about something. When you are thankful, you feel grateful for what you have. So, what is
अक्षरा मैं तुमको
thankfulness?
चैलेंज करती हूँ. रुको, एक चैलेंज दूँ
Yes,
सबके सामने.
yes,
सो
ma'am.
एवरी टाइम व्हेन वी आर मूविंग अ पेज, तुम एक चीज के लिए थैंकफुलनेस प्रेजेंट करोगी और मैं एक चीज के लिए थैंकफुलनेस प्रेजेंट करूंगी, ताकि
O-
हमारे बच्चों को बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो समझ में आ जाए कि किन किन चीजों के लिए थैंकफुलनेस हुआ जा सकता है. चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड.
Yes, accept it.
Yes, before we turn the page, you will pop up, I am thankful for blah, 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 blah. And then I'll say, I am thankful for blah, 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 blah. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So carry on.
So, the first page is thankfulness means feeling lucky to have certain things in your life. As rightly said by ma'am, for what you are being thankful.
Yeah.
हम किस चीज के लिए thankful होंगे? So, I am thankful for this life, for this human life, जो मुझे God ने दी है. Not everybody is lucky to be as a human. ये जो human birth मिलता है ना, ये हर किसी को नहीं मिलता इतनी easily. So I am being thankful for the very first is this life to the God. And
Okay.
what are you thankful for, ma'am?
I am thankful for you, Akshara, for taking
Oh,
this class for all of us. So I'm thankful for Akshara. Thank
okay,
you, God, for
welcome, ma'am.
Akshara.
So you know, ma'am, when
Okay,
we
let's
are
move on.
thankful for something, we feel grateful. जब हम किसी चीज के लिए thankful फील करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बीइंग ग्रेटफुल इज वो चीज जो हमारे पास है ना, वी फील ग्रेटफुल अबाउट इट. बहुत अच्छा महसूस कराती. एंड द सेकंड पेज
Yes.
सेज थैंकफुलनेस एट स्कूल. If in a lunch time at school you cannot wait to eat your sandwich, it is your favorite kind, you sit down and open your lunch. Your sandwich is not there. Oh my god, you forgot to put it in your lunch bag. Your friend sees what happened. She gives you half of her sandwich. You are thankful for your friend's kindness. So you all can relate, kids. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है हमारे साथ. जब हम लोग लंच बॉक्स लेके तो आते हैं, बट समटाइम्स our lunch box is empty, or sometimes our lunch box is not there in our bag. So what to do in that situation? अब हम भूख तो लग रही है, we are starving, we are hungry, as we have just seen the emotions. When we are hungry, we feel angry and grumpy, right? So grumpiness होते हैं, then what happens? You cannot ask for others to share their things. If they want to, they will share willingly. तो हमारे जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वो willingly अपना लंच बॉक्स हमारे साथ शेयर करते हैं. शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. यस, यस. शेयरिंग, जब हम शेयर करते हैं, सो दैट इज अ जेस्चर ऑफ केयरिंग. हम केयर करते हैं उस पर्सन के लिए. और अगर कोई फ्रेंड हमारे साथ लंच बॉक्स शेयर करता है, वी फील ग्रेटफुल फॉर द काइंडनेस. उस टाइम बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना, वो फ्रेंड हमारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो जाता है. Isn't it? So that is being thankful at school.
Okay,
Ma'am,
of course. Yeah.
I want to ask a question. What
Okay.
will you be thankful at school for?
I am thankful to school for giving me education.
Wow.
And
Yes.
what I am today is because of my school and
Yes.
the knowledge I have got. And so I'm grateful.
Yes. And you know what I am thankful at school for?
Yeah.
For my loving friends. Friends make a family. मुझे जो फ्रेंड्स मिले हैं वो स्कूल से मिले हैं. दे आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो मुझे जब कोई चीज शेयर करनी होती है ना, माई थॉट्स, माई फीलिंग्स, माई फूड, जब मैं कुछ नया बनाती हूँ, आई शेयर इट विद माई फ्रेंड्स. और वो मुझे बताते हैं कि वो कैसा बना है. और जब मैं कोई फीलिंग शेयर करती हूँ तो वो मुझे कंफर्टेबल फील कराते हैं. सो आई एम थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल.
A friend's help can make you feel thankful.
यस.
Very true. Okay, next.
Thankfulness for someone's kindness. You and your friend are racing on the playground. You fall and hurt your arm. The school nurse cleans your arm. She puts on a bandage. She talks to you about how you are feeling. She makes you feel better. You are thankful she's there. Yes. जब हम खेल रहे होते हैं in the playground, when we are playing, it happens sometimes that we fall down और हमें चोट लगती है. We get hurt. Yes, we just learn the emotions. We get hurt and we feel sad. Then who comes for the help? We cannot call a doctor immediately, and the teacher cannot help us being a doctor. हर टीचर तो डॉक्टर का जॉब नहीं कर सकती है. There is a nurse who can help you out there. So either your teacher or your auntie at the school or your principal ma'am, they give you a bandage. Yes, they clip the wound. वो डेटॉल से एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन से पहले तो वुंड क्लीन करती है, एंड देन शी अप्लाइज अ बैंडेड. यस, इज इट? और जब कोई बहुत ज्यादा मेजर इंजरी होती है, देन वी कॉल इमीडिएटली द डॉक्टर. So this way we are thankful for the kindness. जब कोई person हमारे लिए kindness show करता है, and वो kindness जो gesture होता है ना, it makes us comfortable. वो हमें बहुत comfortable feel कराता है. और जो हमारे emotions होते हैं, हम उन्हें express कर देते हैं easily. Isn't it, ma'am?
Yes, and you know what I am thankful for? I am thankful for little Tuttu, who
Yes.
is scared to afraid.
Yes.
So that voice is Param's voice, my younger son's voice. So I'm thankful to Param as well that he has beautifully brought Tutu in front of all of us, and Tutu is very famous now. So kids, all
Hmm.
kids love him. अक्षरा ऑर्डर भी करने वाली है दूसरा टुट्टू अपने घर के लिए.
Yes. I am going to order it.
So
And you
I'm
know,
thankful
ma'am,
for Param and Tuttu. Yeah.
I am thankful for the Dolphins family kindness. You know, हमारी जो Dolphins family है, वो अभी पूरी सोसाइटी को कितना कुछ सिखा रही है. We are sharing the knowledge to our kids. We are sharing the knowledge to the society. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो classes है वो सिर्फ हमारे student दिख रहे हैं. It is open for everybody. Everyone can watch it. So it's a kindness. हम सोसाइटी को बेटर बनाने के लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं एज अ टीम. सो आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर इट. थैंक यू, मैम.
Okay, you're welcome. Let's move on. Thankfulness for your friends.
Yes, your best friend is great. You do everything together. She likes to do the same things you do. She laughs at your jokes. When something is bothering you, she listens while you talk. She cheers you up when you are sad. You are thankful to have a friend like her. And you are thankful for having such a good friend. So as just I have said, हमें स्कूल में बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं. And ma'am, how many friends do you have? I have a question.
Mm,
How many
this
friends do you
first
have?
one. I have always been a leader of my group, and
Oh,
I have 4 groups. I had 4 groups, and those 4 groups around 10 people were there. So I have around 40 friends, and वो सब college की और school की बात है. But yes, right now also I have a lot of friends with me. Some very close friends in my building. Some teachers are my friends, and some students are my friends. My kids are my friends. So friends are very important. I'm thankful to all the people, those who have shown kindness to me, and thankful to all those people, those who have accepted me as their friend. And I can you can be also my friend, Akshara, and all those people, those who
yes.
are with us watching this video, they can also be my friends. So we
So
can have
we all
friends.
can be friends.
Yes, we all can
And
be friends.
you know, ma'am, there's a saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yes,
Yes.
a friend in need is a friend indeed. और आज हमने टुट्टू का भी वीडियो देखा है, जिसमें ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स और न्यू फ्रेंड्स के बारे में हमने बात किया. सो ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स के साथ साथ न्यू फ्रेंड्स भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और वहाँ पे मैंने बताया कि लोग बोलते हैं कि आपको अपनी लाइफ अपनी उम्र से नहीं कैलकुलेट करनी चाहिए, नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स से कैलकुलेट करनी चाहिए. सो दैट्स
Yes.
द नेक्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके, सो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने वीडियो को लेके. एंड थैंकफुलनेस फॉर योर पेरेंट्स.
Yes. Your mom and dad work hard at their jobs. They keep your house clean. They make sure you have good food to eat. They help you stay safe. They do things to make you happy. You are thankful that your parents take care of you, and you are thankful that they love you. You can be thankful for people who love you. You know, ma'am, I have a very beautiful family. I live in a joint big family, and I
Yeah,
am
you
blessed.
told about your family, and you are, I know you are very thankful to your parents and your
Yes,
entire family.
yes, ma'am. And I
That's
am having a second family now. That is my dolphins family. Because
yeah,
my
yes.
dolphin family is not just the staff, it's just not the school or workplace. We all live like a family. हम लोग सब बहुत प्यार से रहते हैं. आप हमारे गार्जियन की तरह हमें गाइड करते हो. आप हमारी केयर करते हो. You make sure that we are staying safe. So I am thankful to you as my guardian, as my mentor, and you teach me a lot. So thank you, ma'am, for being my family.
Thank you. And you can be thankful for people who love you. So
Yes.
I am thankful for Dolphin's entire family. As you said that you are thankful that I am your guardian, I am also thankful to all of you, my dear teachers, those who are taking so much pain, helping us out in making Masti Ki Pathshala, helping us to have online classes. And I'm thankful to all my teachers, those who are preparing themselves to come online from 1st of June for all our छोटा बच्चास. तो अक्षरा 1st of June से हमारे छोटे बच्चे भी पढ़ाई करना चालू कर देंगे गूगल क्लासरूम में. तो उनको भी वापस आना है, उसके लिए हमारी टीचर्स अब से चालू हो गई हैं काम करना. सो आई एम थैंकफुल टू ईच एंड एवरी वन who is working for dolphins. So
Oh,
let's
wow.
move on. Thankfulness for your family.
Yes. Someone you fight, sometimes you fight with your sister. Sometimes you get mad at your mom and dad. Even so, you love your family. They cheer you up when you are sad. They help you when you are scared. They teach you new things. You are thankful that they are your family. And we feel thankful that our families are there for us. Yes, kids, we all are having so lovable families. I am lucky I'm having two families. And so you are. You are a part of Dolphins. So you are also having two families now. So we all should be thankful to them for our teachers, to our principal ma'am, to our uncle and aunt who help us at school, your driver uncle, your auntie who help you in the classes for cleaning everything. Yes. So we all are part of our family and we should be thankful. Your mama, papa, your brothers and sisters, we fight, but we love. And here comes our family member, Tutu. Hello, Tutu.
Hi, ma'am. So this is Tutu, and he is here to say thanks to all of you.
Oh, wow. Thank you to you, Tutu, for sharing so many knowledge. Thank you.
हमने आपसे जितना स्मार्ट चूहा नहीं देखा आज तक। अब ये
That's
माउस है
so
कि कैट
adorable.
है? Okay, so let's move on. Thankful to the entire nature for giving us so many things. I am thankful to nature for giving me fruit, vegetables, and water, climate, weather, sun, moon, and everything. So here is the next page: thankfulness and your neighborhood.
Yes, thankfulness and to your neighborhood. In the summer, you go swimming at the pool. You check out books from the library. You and your friend play in the park. There are great places to go. You know that some kids are not so lucky. Their neighborhoods do not have such nice places. You are thankful to live in a neighborhood that does. Thankfulness means, wait, thankfulness means noticing the nice things around us. Yes, students, you all must be having neighborhood people. Yes, जो हमारे पड़ोसी होते हैं वो हमारे neighbors होते हैं. And neighbors are also a part of family. Yes, वो हमें हेल्प करते हैं. They play with us. They share things to us. कई बार हमारे पास कोई चीज की शॉर्टेज होती है तो हम लोग एक्सचेंज करते हैं, राइट. हम गुड्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं, हम लोग सर्विसेज एक्सचेंज करते हैं. एंड वी प्ले टुगेदर, वी स्टे टुगेदर, राइट. सो वी ऑल नीड टू बी थैंकफुल टू देम. जो हमारे नेबर्स में रहते हैं ना, उन्हें भी हमें थैंक यू विश करना चाहिए. Thankfulness for someone's help. Yes. Like, you know,
So when people help us, yes, Akshara. So when people help us, we need to be thankful to them. And कभी चलते चलते हमारी साइकिल खराब हो जाती है तो कोई आके हमें हेल्प कर देता है, कई बार हमारी गाड़ी खराब हो जाती है तो हमें लिफ्ट मिल जाती है. सो वी नीड टू बी थैंकिंग पीपल दोज हु आर हेल्पिंग अस. आपके घर पे मिल्कमैन आता है, कपड़े वाला धोबी आता है, लॉट ऑफ पीपल दोज हु आर कमिंग. सो वी नीड टू बी थैंकफुल टू दीज पीपल.
and yes,
एंड आप किसके लिए थैंकफुल हो?
I am thankful for all the community helpers. The community helpers, policemen, doctors, sweepers, milkmen, firefighters, pilots, drivers. So we are having a vast community and they all are helping us. अगर हम शॉप पे ग्रोसरी लेने जा रहे हैं, the shopkeeper is a community helper. So I am thankful to him that he's serving me. When we are going to a electrician, so he is fixing the things. वो हमारे electronics को fix करता है. So I am thankful to him. जो milkman है, वो मिल्क लेके आ रहे हैं, जो न्यूज़पेपर पर्सन है वो न्यूज़पेपर ला रहे हैं. So these are community helpers and I am thankful to all of them. They serve us selflessly, बिना किसी मतलब के वो हमें अपनी सर्विस देते हैं.
Okay, so this is again the last page for the book called Thankfulness for Everything. So, again, we would like to stretch it and tell you that we need to be thankful at the end for everything. And Akshara, तुम्हारे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा, तुम एक थैंकफुलनेस टाइम क्रिएट करो अपनी लाइफ में, 5 मिनट के लिए, 1 मिनट के लिए, वॉट एवर इट इज, और उस समय ही वो thankfulness करो. And when it becomes a ritual in your life, the more things you are thankful for, God will give you more things you should be thankful for. So it's a
Yes,
cycle
ma'am.
which rotates, it comes back to you. So that's
Yes.
what we wanted all of you to understand. Thank you very much for staying with us on this Masti Ki Pathshala. It was amazing talking to you, Akshara, and it was amazing talking to you all people out there. Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
you.